Speeds 69 miles an hour. Highway 22 towards Barrett. Traffic spot. We have like 60,000 cars behind us right now.
Oh, I believe it.
She's not stopped. She's almost hit us once. We tried to box her in. She tried to get Dave's unit.
Hang on 1 second. One day before you come here.
2 and 3 are in here with me. I'll let 4 know. I believe he shot it with you.
Yeah, 4-7's. Correction, Alright, I'm coming up 22 now. I'm eastbound from Costco.
Okay. Come on. Keep coming.
Oh, I'm coming.
Come on, stick that thing in overdrive, Jared.
And man, I am. I've been 120 from Boone.
I'm talking about Jared. Jared's trying to get up here.
Coming in the city echo.
We're going to meet up in Paris is what's going to happen.
10-4, sir. Logan 7, Logan County. We're passing the intersection 197, Highway 22, headed towards Paris. Speed 60 miles an hour in a 45 mile an hour zone. Traffic slide. Be advised, subject is passing in a turning lane, passing in a turning lane. Where you at, buddy? She's fixing to get to Paris. We're going to have an accident.
I'm coming past Horseshoe Mountain Road. I'm moving, man.
Okay. Logan 7 to other units. I'm on the phone with ASP. They're passing Horseshoe Mountain Road right now.
Passing Horseshoe Mountain Road.
Yeah, he was talking about me.
Good call, Jason. Good call.
What'd he say?
He said, we got plenty of units in the pursuit. We just need you. The intersection's blocked.
Why don't y'all try to box her in?
Do what?
Try to box her in.
We tried twice, and she's running around us. And she's in the other lane. She's going to cause an accident. She almost hit us the first time we did it. The second time, she drove all the way over another lane and almost caused an accident.
10-4.
We're doing, I mean, we've done the best we can.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Stand by. Where you at?
I'm coming into Paris right now. I just passed Carbon City.
Logan 7 to Paris dispatch. You can hear me. He's coming into Paris now. Logan 7 to Logan County. We're passing the large switch lane. Speeds 65 miles an hour. Traffic's moderate. Yeah. What is this Paris speed officer doing? Get out of the road. You're going to cause a wreck. I guess they're trying to clear a path.
I don't know what they're doing.
Logan 7, Logan County. We're entering the Paris city limits. Traffic's going to be moderate. Speeds are going to be 63 miles an hour.
Entering Paris city limits.
Where you at?
I'm coming past Dave's Iron Skillet.
We're coming into Paris past Logan County Insurance Agency. Logan 700 County, we passed Morgan Lane, Morgan Street, speeds 54 miles an hour, traffic starting to pick up. Alright, we're passing Paris School District Admin Building.
Okay, I'm gonna be in the Harps parking lot.
Okay. You gonna pit in the city?
No, I'm just gonna have to get behind her.
Okay.
There's too much traffic to do anything.
10-4. Logan 7-11-5, sir.
21 Fort Smith, I'm setting up here at the Sonic. I'm waiting for them, I assume.
Be advised, ASP is going to be in the Harps parking lot. Logan 7-11 County, we've entered a 35-mile-an-hour zone, passing Taco Bell. Speed's going to be 50 miles an hour.
Okay. 1037.
Logan 7-11 County, I'll be turning radio traffic over to 11-5.
We are westbound on East Walnut, passing 5th Street. Speed's 52. Minor traffic. Paris PD has all the intersections blocked off. Once we get out of the city limits, we'll try to get the TV out.
10-4.
Still eastbound, we're coming up to the intersection of 3. Speed's 33, moderate traffic.
I think you meant westbound.
Westbound, speeds of 56, past South Wiggins Drive. Moderate traffic.
10-4.
TDI. Rollover start at 10:16.
10-4. 10-20.
We are Short Mountain Lodge right here at 22.
10-4.
Start fire as well. Hey, let's get her out. Let's get her out.
Go, fine. I'm coming. Hey, tell me to buy some fire.
I got fire.
Can y'all get any doors open?
No, it's locked.
Nope.
We got enough here. Can y'all get traffic?
Yep. Hey, you got the
Here, watch out.
Got it.
All right, but you got that.
You alright?
Yeah.
Try to slow down.
Good job.
EMS is 97.
10-4.
Yeah, we're all 1050 there. About 15 with her.
Got it. 21, you'll come.